Good afternoon mga ka-haters. So, again, I'm here again for another video. Yes, kasi today we're going to Disneyland. Yes, oh my God. How many times we go to Disneyland? I don't know how many times. You know that also. So, I'm with Oscar again. But okay, hindi natin siya isasali ngayon kasi he's not in the mood. It's okay, right? And then, Oscar with friends. With I think Brayden. Yes, Brayden. And then you know what, today is raining. Yes, umuulan din. Ano? O, 'di ba? Walang kuan ano tawag nito? Walang kuan yung ulan. Hindi talaga makuan basta magkuan lakwat siya. Kahit umuulan, wala talagang problema. So ayan. Excited. Ayan. Always be excited. May excited ka na lang talaga. Baka na magawa lang nga naman hindi, 'di ba? Kasi kuan naman, ang tawag nito, at least ikaw nakakapunta ka doon kaysa yung iba hindi naman kasi nga medyo pricey din. So ayun, traffic pa, so dapat makarating kami ng Disneyland around 2 kasi yun yung usapan. Yeah, so see you later, yayaters. Bye. So yan, nandito na kami ngayon sa Disneyland, sa loob. So dami pa din tao kahit umuulan. Punta kami sa Tron na naman, Diyos ko po. Sisigaw na naman tayo nito ng bongga. Hi. Okay. Ow. Oh my God. Tron again. There you are. This is it. Sisigaw na naman tayo ng bongga nito. Okay lang, diba? Face your fear. Yun na, sumigaw na. Let's go!
Attention. Avengers Training Initiative will begin shortly. Recruits should assemble at your assigned meeting location. Guests and Guardians, please take your spots in the observation arena. Thank you.
Oh my God, this is my first time. Ayan o, ayan. But we cannot bring phone. I think phones, no need. Yeah, no need. Yun yung buhok ko. Oh my God.
这东西有当裤子啊？这东西有安全。
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh my God! Oh, yan yung sasakyan namin ngayon. My God, first time namin to. Oh my God. Hala! So, pang third rides na namin to. Oo, 7 Dwarfs yung i-ride namin. Ayan, daming tao. VIP pass ka pa. Ayan, daming tao. Kahit umuulan, Diyos ko po. Ayan. So, si Oscar, at saka yung kaibigan niya, at saka yung hari niya. Kami lang 5. Enjoy naman kahit papaano, kahit paulit-ulit na bumabalik kami. Okay.
我才国青，什么人？